The Rel Sun surfing competition began in the 1970s. These children were some of the first surfers to compete in it. Bethany knew she wouldn't have an easy ride, yet she put aside her fears. The young surfer hit the waves and won one heat after another. Bethany took first place in 2 categories. She was proud of her trophies. Best of all, though, she had won 2 new surfboards. Makaha Beach, site of the Rel Sun contest, is famous for its 15 to 30 foot, 4 to 9 meter fierce waves. In fact, Makaha is the Hawaiian word for fierce. Surfer at Makaha Beach. Dancing in the waves. As Bethany grew older, more wins followed. By the time she entered her teens, she was one of the country's top amateur surfers. Her family came to every contest, giving her tips and cheering her on. They supported her whether she won or lost. In summer 2003, Bethany took second place at a national championship contest in San Clemente, California. To do so, she beat many surfers twice her age. Surfers at the 2002 National Championships in San Clemente, California. Winning wasn't everything, though. Bethany just loved surfing. She loved the feel of dancing in the waves. To Bethany, surfing was the force that moves you body and soul. On days when she couldn't surf, Bethany barely felt alive. That's why, on Halloween morning, she was so anxious to head for the beach. Bethany riding a wave. Clear skies. Bethany hadn't surfed in days. The weather had been awful. Rain and more rain. On Halloween morning, Bethany woke up and listened for the sound of raindrops. She didn't hear any rain. She jumped up and grabbed her bathing suit. Bethany and her friends were known as the Dawn Squad because they liked to surf early, just when the sun was coming up. Tunnels Beach on the north shore of Kauai is considered one of the best surfing spots in Hawaii. It was still dark when Bethany and her mom reached the beach. Sadly, the water was calm. There were no waves. They decided to look for another spot. At Tunnels Beach, they found more calm water. The pair decided to head home. Just then, however, a pickup truck pulled up. Out came Bethany's best friend, Alana, and her family. Bethany decided to stick around. Bethany's best friend, Alana Blanchard. Shark attack. Soon the surfers were floating in the sea, waiting for a wave. None of them saw the shark coming. When it struck, Bethany felt no pain, just a massive tug. She turned, staring at the jaws of the beast. The attack lasted a few seconds. Bethany didn't scream. She was dazed, but she knew right away she was in trouble. A tiger shark's saw-edged teeth make the animal deadly. Bethany looked at her left arm. It was gone. Get to the beach, she told herself. In seconds, Alana's father, Holt, was by her side. He tried to stop the bleeding by making a tourniquet from his shirt. Then he pulled Bethany toward the shore. The shark attack occurred nearly a quarter of a mile, 0.4 kilometers offshore. Paddling back took almost 15 minutes. Bethany's surfboard after the attack.
We're going to pause there. What kind of panic do you think everyone around Bethany was going through at this moment? Although it says that she didn't scream and she was just kind of dazed and in shock, how do you think everybody else around her felt?